In this video, I'll show you step by step how to promote Fiverr affiliate links on Pinterest without a blog, without followers, and without spending single dollar on ads. I'll show you how you can find viral Fiverr gigs, create high converting pins in minutes, and get them ranking with free Pinterest SEO strategies anyone can use. You don't need to go viral, you just need the right gig, the right pin, and the right traffic strategy. Watch closely, I'm showing you everything I do step by step. So make sure to watch this video until the end. And if you skip one step, this business will be really difficult for you and you can start making commissions like this. In just last 7 days, I made $6,285 promoting affiliate links with free traffic using Pinterest. Okay, I'll share with you guys my method that I'm using and everything you need to start making commissions fast. Okay, so first, for people who want to start promoting Fiverr affiliate links on Pinterest and you want to join affiliate marketing, step number one, you guys need to create an affiliate account like this one. Okay, you need to have an affiliate account like this one, so you need to join an affiliate marketing program. What you will do, it's super easy and simple. Just go to Google and search for this website. Search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. All you have to do is you just need to use your email address to sign up. Once you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So you just need to come to this page and just scroll down, keep scrolling down, go to company over here and click on affiliate. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. You guys can check this website. You can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will start promoting with Fiverr affiliate as a Fiverr affiliate marketer. From my experience, this is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start ever. Why? Because they are really paying good commissions. Some commissions, guys, can be up to 70%, okay? Which is crazy. The best part with this affiliate marketing business that they keep paying you 10% revenue share for each purchase the buyers make in the next 12 months. Okay, that's really crazy. Okay, anyway, so if you want to create your affiliate account, you can click here on join now and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. As you can see, guys, the sign up process is super easy and simple. You just need to put your first name, last name, email address, username, your password, and your password again, and account type, make it private. If you have a Fiverr seller account, you can choose this option. If you have a company, you can choose this option. Okay, and they will ask you, do you have main source of traffic? If you have a website or a blog, you can say yes. If you don't have, you can say no. Scroll down and here please submit your social media URL. You guys need to put here your Facebook profile link or your Instagram profile link or your Pinterest profile link. Okay, and that's it. Click on country, search for your country from here. You can start this business from anywhere, from United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, Germany, and so on. Just search for your country from here, English, and here you need to choose your language. If you speak English, you can choose English, Spanish, French, and so on. And if you have a Telegram account, you can put your account here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next and that's it. The sign up process is super easy and simple. Once you finish, you should have an account like this one. This will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate marketing. What you need to do next is you need to create a business account with Pinterest. So you should have a Pinterest account like this one. If you don't have, no problem, that's fine. You can go to Google and search for Pinterest like this. Click on the first link, sign up using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. They will ask you, do you want to create business account or personal account? Make sure to choose business account. Once you finish, this will be your home page and you should have that. You should know that Pinterest has 1 billion monthly visitors. That's crazy. You can get crazy traffic from Pinterest. And you should know that Pinterest is a search engine platform. It's like Google and YouTube. So people are using it to search for services, product, and more. Okay, so if you are using good Pinterest SEO to rank your pins, you will get a lot of traffic and you can get crazy commissions just by using Pinterest. Okay, anyway, so once you finish creating your Pinterest business account, this will be your home page. Click here on home feed, click on create pin, and here you go. So what you need to do next is we need to create a pin. So what we will do first, we need to go back to our Fiverr homepage, to this Fiverr homepage, and now we need to choose the service that we will start promoting on Pinterest. So the best service that you guys can start promoting on Pinterest is click on the search bar, search for Pinterest marketing. Why we choose this service? Because it's related to Pinterest. So we will promote services related to Pinterest. We will promote Pinterest marketing to help Pinterest users who are using Pinterest to grow their businesses, to get more sales, grow their Pinterest account, and so much more. Okay, that's why I choose this one, Pinterest marketing related to Pinterest. If I scroll down, you will see here a lot of sellers who provide this service on Fiverr. So for you as a Fiverr affiliate marketer, what you need to do is you need to choose a good seller. How we can choose good seller? Always make sure the seller is up at least level 2 seller or top rated seller or pro sellers. Okay, so for example, I'm gonna choose one to show you an example. Like this one is pro seller, this one is good. Like this one also is top rated seller, this one is a good one. I will choose this one. I will click on this one, click on his service, and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile service. Okay, you can see here, you guys can see that this service is working. It's working. This is the proof. 50 orders in queue. Which people will pay for this service? Those people who are using Pinterest. Only users who use Pinterest, they are paying for this service. Okay, let me show you this one, Pinterest marketing. Why? Because they want to grow their Pinterest account and to get more sales or get more followers. That's why they are promoting, that's why they are paying for this service. Okay, Pinterest SEO, Pinterest marketing. So for you, what you need to do next is you need to copy the link of the seller, copy the profile link of the seller, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and click over here on your dashboard. You have dashboard, marketing tools, reports. Click on marketing tools, click on defaults and deep links. You will be directly in this page. Click on deep link and put this seller profile link here. Click on save, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you need to do, you need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. So let's go to Pinterest. So what we need is we need a picture. We will go back to this seller profile page. This seller has a video, has also a picture here. So let me choose, for example, I'm going to choose this picture, double click on his picture, click on save image and click on save, and you will save this picture to your laptop. Go back to Pinterest, click over here and upload this picture. Okay, let me find the picture here. Okay, let me see. Pinterest marketing, search for Pinterest marketing, this one. Okay, I will click on open, and here you go. We need a title and we need description. So what we will do, we will go back to this seller profile page and we will copy his title. Of course, we will not copy paste. We will use ChatGPT. We will ask ChatGPT, okay, turn this title into Pinterest pin title and use good SEO to rank higher. Okay, and just put this title here. You should use AI. If you are not using AI, you are really missing a lot of traffic. That because guys, ChatGPT will help you to get good SEO that will help your pins to rank higher on the search results of Pinterest. Okay, so here you go. Pinterest will give you this title. ChatGPT will create this title for you. So copy and paste here. Description. Go back to ChatGPT and ask him create pin description. I'm gonna ask him to create also the pin description. And here you go. ChatGPT will start creating your pin description. Okay, you see this. So I will copy this description, go back to Pinterest, and I will put this description here. You need to put your affiliate link here. Go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, copy your affiliate link from here, go back to Pinterest and put your affiliate link here. click on choose a board. If you have new account, click on create a board, and you just need to give it a name, and that's it. And you can create as many as you want. So I'm gonna choose this one. You need tags. You can go back to ChatGPT and ask him to give you tags. Okay, and here you go. ChatGPT will give you also the tags that's gonna help your pin to rank higher. Okay, Pinterest marketing, Pinterest manager. Copy all those keywords, go back to Pinterest and put those keywords here. Okay, so once you finish, click on publish, and here you go. You just published your first Fiverr affiliate link on Pinterest. That's how you can promote Fiverr affiliate links on Pinterest using free traffic. If you have any question, just leave it in the comments, and thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next videos.